Hey everyone and welcome to another video, and in this video I will show you how to use dot env. So dot env is a dependency which you can use to protect our data. So for example, if a data is there in your website and you don't want anyone to see that by inspecting it, so you can use dot env in that case. Alright, so let's see an example how to do that, and for that I have just make this a login form. Okay, so there is no need to make a login form, but I have made this, so it is a pretty simple login form. You can log in and sign up. Okay, and in this login form I am using a secret key which is this key right here, which is this, you can say, string, and this string is used for JSON web token. So if you want to see how to use this JSON web token, I will give the link in the description, but for now I will show you how this key is secret. Okay, so I don't want anyone to see this key. So what I will do, I will use dot env. So first of all, install dot env. So npm I dot env. All right, and also you have to create a file. Okay, so create a file and name it dot env. So make sure to name it dot env exactly, and in this dot env you can write anything. Okay, you can write any variable and give it any value. So for example, I will write here secret key. Okay, secret key, and this will be equal to that secret key. So I will just copy this. Okay, so I will just copy this key here, or this value, and paste it here. Alright, so in this way I can use the secret key in my website now. So how to use this website, how to use that variable? So first of all, write this thing on the first line only. Okay, so make sure to write this one at the first line. So paste it. Oops, not this. So require dot env. Okay, so make sure to paste this thing on the top of your website, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work. And also you have to write dot config at the end. Okay, so make sure this thing is at the top of your website, and I think now we are able to get that. Okay, so now I will just delete this one, and instead of that, what I will write, I can write process dot env dot and the name of that this one, the name of the variable, which is secret key. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so in this way I can use this data here. So as you can see now, nobody can see that this protected data here, but if you just imagine, whenever someone inspect the page, whenever someone will inspect the website, he or she can easily see the dot env, and this website, this variable or this data can be seen. So to prevent that, you can use git ignore. Okay, so git ignore. So let's install, or not install, so I will write git ignore. Okay, that's it. Make sure there is a dot. Okay, there is a dot at the front of it. Alright, so you just have to write slash dot env here. Okay, slash dot env, and save it, and in this way now the env file cannot be seen by anyone. So the env file is also secure, and this private or protected data is also secure. So you can use dot env in this way. Alright, and let's check it out if it works or not. Okay, so I will just copy this and I will paste it here also, because I'm using that same thing here also. So I'll just paste it, and let's see if it works or not. Okay, so I'll write nodemon index. Okay, and I will just reload the website. I will write let's login. Okay, hit submit, and yes, as you can see, it is working still. Okay, it is still working. So this is the way you can use .env to protect any of your data if you don't want to be seen by any other people. Alright, so I hope you understand this and like the video. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, and that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.